Hello students, welcome to descriptive practice question series for RBI Grade B 2024. Today we'll be discussing one important question from previous year, that is RBI 2022. That is, what do you understand by blockchain technology? And in the current era where blockchain technology is at its peak, will it disrupt banking? Understand the question, students. First, you have to define blockchain technology. You have to tell what are the features of blockchain technology, and then you have to tell how it will disrupt the banking. Clear? These are the points you have to cover. First, you have to tell definition, features, and how it will interrupt banking system. Clear? In the introduction part, students, you can start like this. How Indian banking industry is as of now. Major disruptions with the advent of blocking technology. Indian banking industry is witnessing a major disruption with the advent of blockchain technology. And then you can start with the blockchain technology definition. It is a decentralized system, distributed ledger system that records transactions across multiple computers in a way that is secure and transparent. This is the correct definition, students. You are giving the definition in the introduction part, and then you are providing one more point. Each group of transactions is bundled into a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chronological chain. Okay. Next, you are giving one more point, how it is disrupting the blockchain technology, like banks, how it helps in banks. Banks can securely store records and provide faster and more reliable services to their customers. The government and central bank made an announcement of the blockchain based digital rupee currency, which would function alongside the real currency. This step would further bring the blockchain into the mainstream media. This has to be the definition, students. Next, what are the features of blockchain technology? You can give any points, 5 points to the students, 4 to 5 points. One is decentralization. There is no central authority or intermediary involved in blockchain transactions. Instead, a network of nodes validates records and transactions, making it censorship and are controlled by single entity. Impossible. It makes impossible to censorship or controlled by single entity. Okay. Next point is transparency. You can give transactions are visible to all participants in the network in blockchain. This transparency enhances trust among users and allows for public verification of transactions. Next, immutability, student. Security, you can give one more point, security. Blockchain uses cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and prevent unauthorized change to the data. Next, immutability, security, immutability. Once information is added to the blockchain, it becomes of a permanent and unchangeable record. Permanent and unchangeable record. Okay. This features ensures the integrity of the data. Next, consensus mechanism. Blockchain uses consensus algorithm like proof of work or proof of stake to validate and add transactions to the ledger. This mechanism ensures permanent among networks participants before transaction is considered valid. Okay. Next, how blockchain is interrupting the can interrupt the financial industry or banking industry. This you can give 5 points, students. Easy points you can start with reduction of frauds and crime activities. This is an easy point. Next, CBDCs. Several central banks are exploring the use of blockchain technology to issue their digital currencies. CBDCs could reshape the way money is transacted and managed. Next, monetization of assets. Blockchain enables tokenization of various assets, including stocks, bonds, and real estates. This can make it easier for individuals to invest in these assets. Okay. Next, transparency and security. We have already discussed. Next, financial inclusion can provide access to financial services for the unbanked and underbanked population by creating more accessible and inclusive financial ecosystem. Next, effective disposal of loans and lending. Clear? These are 5 points you can use, students. Next, in the conclusion, you can start with blockchain holds great promise. It also faces challenges and regulatory hurdles. Okay. The pace and extent of disruption in the banking industry will depend on various factors, including regulatory developments, adaptation of blockchain technology, and the willingness of traditional financing institutions to adapt to these changes. Okay, this would be the perfect conclusion, students. I hope you guys understood how to write the answers. You have to start with the introduction. In that introduction, you have to give a definition of blockchain technology and a brief of Indian banking industry, and then any current affair news with respect to this blockchain technology in the banking industry. Clear? Next, in features, 4 to 5 features. Next, how potentially it can impact the financial industry, 5 to 6 points, and a brief description on that, and then conclusion. That would be sufficient, students. This is a 10-mark question. Okay, clear? This would be sufficient. Okay, students, that's it. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.